Hello everyone. So in this part of the video, I will give some question answers for class 7 students from chapter number 10, that is Africa, location, political and physical features. So let's start with the first question. Why is Africa called a dark continent? So the answer we will write, Africa is often referred to as the dark continent because knowledge of its interior parts was very limited. It was largely unexplored for a long time. Since the coastline of Africa is unbroken and straight and lies on a high plateau, there are no good harbors for the ships to anchor. Next question number 2. Name the 3 people who explored Africa. Answer we will write, the 3 people who explored Africa were Mungo Park, David Livingstone and Henry Morton Stanley. Number 3 question. What is extinct volcano? Name an extinct volcano of Africa. Answer we will write, an extinct volcano has not had any eruption for at least 10,000 years and is not expected to erupt again in a comparable time scale of the future. An extinct volcano of Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro. Next question, which is the longest river in the world and where does it originate and end? Answer we will write, the Nile is the longest river in the world. It originates from Victoria Falls and it drains into the Mediterranean Sea. Next question, why is Lake Victoria very important for Africa? So the answer we will write, the spray of water from the Victoria Falls provides the rainforest around the falls with continuous water. It is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Next we will do differentiate. The first question is differentiate between Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert. So in the Sahara Desert you will write, Sahara Desert is the largest and driest desert in the world. It is located in the northern portion of Africa. It extends from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Red Sea in the east. Most of Sahara deserts is undeveloped and has a varied topography. In the Kalahari Desert you will write, Kalahari Desert lies in the southern part of Africa. It is a large arid area of sand which changes into huge tracts of excellent grazing grounds after good rains. Next, differentiate Great Rift Valley and African Plateau. So in the Great Rift Valley we will write, a special feature of the African plateau is its rift valley. It is a long, deep, narrow valley with vertical cracks or rifts in the land. These rifts are a result of the movements of the earth's crust. It runs well from Mozambique along the east coast to the Red Sea. In the African plateau you will write, the continent of Africa appears to be a huge plateau. The northern part of the African plateau stretches from the Atlantic coast in the west to the Nile Valley in the east. The Sahara Desert is located here. The southern part of the African plateau is divided into Ethiopian highlands, the Central Lake Plateau and the South African Plateau. Moving on to the next, differentiate Nile River and Congo River. So in the Nile River you will write, the Nile is one of the largest rivers in the world. It is about 6,853 km in length and flows from Lake Victoria, which is the largest lake in Africa. It drains into the Mediterranean Sea. In the Congo River you will write, the second largest river in Africa is the Zaire, also known as the Congo River. This river is approximately 4,670 km long. It also has many tributaries. The major portion of this river is navigable. It is also a good source of hydroelectricity. Next question, differentiate between Atlas Mountain and Drakensberg Mountain. So in the Atlas you will write, the Atlas Mountains lies in the northwest of Africa. These are young fold mountains consisting of roughly 3 parallel ranges which stretch from the Atlantic coast of Morocco to northern Tunisia. The spelling of stretch will be S-T-R-E-T-C-H. Okay, not S-T-R-E-T-C-H-E. So I have omit E. Next one, the Drakensberg Mountain. The southern African plateau ends with the Drakensberg Mountains, meaning dragon's teeth. They are not really mountains but the uplifted edges of the plateau. So these are all the question answers from chapter number 10.